Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on Linux Mint 22.1, but the process is same on all Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the available PostgreSQL latest version is 17.2. Click on download, then select Linux. See here, we don't have the Linux Mint. Okay, but open terminal, more /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu Debian and code name is Noble. So click on Ubuntu, then run these commands one by one. Copy the first one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. See, both are already near versions. Okay, now install this pgdg, paste it, hit enter, download this one, so that is import signing key. It is done. Now create the repository configuration file. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. See here, we got the error, the repository apt zia pgd release does not have a release file. So go to cd, go to etc apt ls, go to source.list.d, edit this file, more pgdg. See, here we have to replace this with Xia is the code name for the Linux Mint. So vi pgdg. Now replace the Xia with I2 insert mode, Noble. Save the file. See, we have to run this file with sudo. Now remove. Press I to insert mode, Noble. Then save the file. Now update packages again. Sudo apt update. If you don't update this one, it will not install the latest version. Okay, it is done. Ctrl L. Now install PostgreSQL 17. See, this is the command, sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you give 16, it will install 16. If you want to install 17, just give PostgreSQL. If you want to install 15, give 15. Okay, if you don't give this version, it will install the latest version. Hit enter. See here, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17. Okay, so type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17.2, and also see here maximum connections are 100, shared buffers is 128, and this is the default time zone, etc. options are there. Okay, now verify the status of the PostgreSQL. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL is the service name. See, PostgreSQL service is running and enabled. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, this is not the PostgreSQL server version. It is PSQL client version. To verify the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.2. If you took it, now verify the list of the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. \l. See, these are the 3 default databases comes with PostgreSQL installation. Q to quit, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now create a database. Create database Now verify again, \l. See, we have new database, Q to quit. Now switch to this database by using \c or connect. Either is fine. Then provide the database name bank. Now see here the message, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now create a table. Before creating table, verify list of tables \dt. See, you don't have any relations. Okay, create a table. Create table customer cnum int primary key. Now verify again. See, we have a table. This is created in public schema, and this is the owner name. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert into verify the data. See, we have inserted these three rows. Now let us create a user. Before that, verify list of users \du. See here we have only one user, that is Postgres. I forgot to tell you, the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user. Alter user Postgres with password. See, this is the default user that comes with PostgreSQL installation and which is having all privileges. Now create a user. Now verify again. See, we have these two users. Now exit. To exit from the PostgreSQL client, we have to use the \q. Now connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. PSQL-u James -d Postgres -h localhost, because PostgreSQL is installed on this PC. It is type Ctrl+C localhost. Now provide the password of James user that we have given. Password rank. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Now verify the current user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user James. Okay. Now try to switch to bank database. See, we have successfully connected to bank database. But if you run the command against the, but if you try to retrieve the data from the table customer, see, permission denied for the table customer. Why? Because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges on this database. That's why we have received this error. Okay. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Linux Mint 22.1. We can't stop or start with Postgres user. Let us verify sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, it is asking password, but if you exit from the Postgres user, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL service is running and we are able to execute the command. Now stop it, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status again. See, PostgreSQL service is dead or inactive. Let us try to connect to PostgreSQL. PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Exit from this Postgres user, sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is running. Ctrl L. Now restart the PostgreSQL. Just replace this start with restart. Hit enter. We have successfully restarted. Verify the status. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. So until now we have connected PostgreSQL by using command line client. We can also connect PostgreSQL by using pgadmin. Go to pgadmin.org, and one more tool is dbeaver.io. Go to here. For these two tools you can search for my YouTube channel for how to install. Okay, see, pgadmin is the most popular feature-rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSQL, the most advanced open source database in the world. Click on download, then click on apt. Then if you scroll down, see here we have the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install the pgadmin on Linux Mint. The other tool is dbeaver. See here we have two types of tools. dbeaver Pro is the paid one, and dbeaver community is the free version. Click on download and install by using the command sudo dpkg -i, then give the downloaded Debian package. See, for Linux Mint we have to download this package. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on Linux Mint 22.1. As I told you, the process is same on all Linux Mint operating systems. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.